Hey, Cohen here, and today I want to talk to you about something that I think is holding a lot of people back, and hopefully this message will hit you at the right time. Hopefully it'll help you out. Hopefully it'll help you to get things rolling a little bit more faster here. I'm in the car with my best girl, Summer Cohen here, right? Where are we going right now? Dunkin' Donuts. All right, so once every so often we do this thing called D Day, right? And that basically is, do you want to tell everybody what D Day? Daddy, daughter, Dunkin' Donuts Day. Boom. So every once in a while, that's our way of bonding, having some good time in the morning, and just setting a tone. And yes, I know coffee, donuts, it's worst stuff ever for you, but the time is super valuable, right? The time that you spend, and then just to look forward to it. So we plan these things out every once in a while, super calculated with it, and then we go. So one of the things I want to talk to you about is, man, that idea that you have, that thing that you've been thinking about, and you're kind of scared to tell everyone about it. You're scared to put it out in the universe because you think someone will steal it, right? Well, here's the thing. That's the furthest thing from the truth. Stop sitting on your ideas. Stop sitting on that thing that you want to do, and instead put it out there and race to get it out. Stop trying to make it perfect. Stop trying to overanalyze. Stop planning. Stop getting your business plan right. Stop making sure that your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted, and get it out there. You know, I got a good friend of mine, a guy by the name of Greg Caesar. Some of you guys may know him, very well-known guy. And he says, I like to fail fast. He says, Ty, you know, whenever I have an idea, whenever I've got something that I'm working on, a business, or it might be a new product, it might be a service that he's bringing to the market, I like to fail fast. Meaning, I don't hold on to the idea. I get it out there quickly. I make my mistakes. I fine-tune it, and then I go on from there. But a lot of you guys are just holding on to ideas. I mean, you've had these same ideas of things that you want to work on for like the last year. Some of you for multiple years. I have a friend of mine who has an excellent book series. I'm not going to reveal what it is, but he's got an excellent topic for a book series. And he first mentioned this to maybe me and a group of friends of ours, or a close group of friends. Man, I want to say maybe about 8 years ago. 8 years ago, he mentioned this. And I know for a fact that it would be a $1 million+ seller. I know for a fact that it would be a home run. He knows it. But he's sitting on the idea, right? He's sitting on the idea. Sometimes fear will get to the point where, you know, we're so paralyzed, or we're just trying to make things so right that we don't do anything. Hopefully that's not you. Whatever idea it is that you're having right now, whatever product that you're thinking about putting out, whatever business it is that you think about, or that you're thinking about bringing to market, go ahead, start working on it, share it with other people. Don't be afraid. Get out of the scarcity mindset of thinking, if I tell someone else about it, they'll steal my idea. Somebody else already has your idea, all right? There's 8 billion people on the face of the earth. No idea is unique. I don't care how unique you think your idea is. Someone else, whether that person is in China, the UK, India, or right next door to you, someone else has that idea. So stop thinking that your idea is unique. That's foolish with 8 billion people on this earth to think that your idea is unique. All right? The way that you should be thinking is, I know someone else has this idea. Let me rush and be the first one to market, and then I can fine-tune as I go. So there you go. Get started. Get that idea going. And I want to hear your comments. What's your idea? Share it. The first step is sharing it with people. I'll see you on the next video. Share this video, right? Share your ideas, share this video, comment, like, and remember, we're going to have a contest for the first 10 people that share, like, or comment on this video. You get a copy of my Kindle Cash Flow program over at kindlecashflow.com, which will show you how I publish a series of ebooks and do extremely well with this, to the tune of just I'm not going to even tell you how much I make, but do extremely well with this, and how I've taught thousands of other people how to do this as well. I want to give you a copy of this free course, all right? If you want to go in and watch the training, you can do so by going to kindlecashflow.com. But if you're one of the first 10 to comment, I'll also give you the chance to win a free copy of it by entering you into a contest. We're going to pick one person out of the first 10 to comment, like, or share. And then to make it fair for everyone else, because I know that some of you may be watching this video days later, weeks later, months later. There's tens of thousands of people that are going to see this video at some point. So what I want to do is, if you come in later and you're not one of the first 10, I'm going to randomly every week select someone that has commented, liked, or shared to get a free copy of this Kindle Cash Flow program that will show you how I'm doing extremely well and how I've taught thousands of people across the planet to self-publish short Kindle books and reports to Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform to create a passive recurring income stream. So go ahead, comment, like, and share right now, and let me know what that idea is, and get that idea going. Stop saving it, stop keeping it to yourself, all right? Get moving, fail fast. I'll see you on the next video. Think big, and then think even.